These are some of the most advanced helmets and armors built for soldiers. And this is me. But what I am doing here? Well, I went to Kanpur to find out how manufacturing looks like in a defense company and how everything works inside a factory from idea to execution. I met Shobit Khandelwal, General Manager at MKU, one of the biggest defense manufacturing firms of India, producing armors, helmets, and night vision for the soldiers. Today, more than 3 million soldiers in 230 plus forces of 100 plus countries are empowered by MQ's product. And I am going to do an exclusive interview and factory tour with senior leadership and the team. Let's go.
A very good afternoon and welcome to Rocket Media House at our headquarters in Kanpur. I'm Karan Gupta, Vice President of International Sales and Strategy at MKU Limited. MKU started in the year 1985, so it's almost been 40 years in this journey. And over the years, we have grown our product portfolio and solutions tremendously. We started by manufacturing fiberglass helmets in the 1990s and footwear for the Indian Army in the 1990s to coming into armor business in the year 2000 and then expanding further into Electro-Optics and today into MRO as well. So this journey has been really inspiring. We live by the motto of empowering heroes. So everything that we do is to ensure that we make good, high quality products that can deliver confidence to our soldiers who are in the line of duty and who really need our equipment to be performing when it needs to.
So we went inside the display area where Shobit showed us all the incredible products they are building at MKU. By the way, MKU is the first Asian manufacturing firm to produce ballistic helmets, lightweight body armors, and composite armors. But what does it actually mean to them? So, sir, these products are protecting soldiers across the world. So, what does it mean to you and your team to build products that are supporting soldiers on the battlefield?
Myself, my team is very much emotionally connected because, as you say, we save soldiers.
Right.
We should provide soldiers with the best equipments, with the latest technology, and with the highest grade of quality. And we have got a state-of-art manufacturing facility. And simultaneously, we have done a lot of R&D for the new protection, for the new threats, in order to cater our customer, that is soldiers. We provide best equipments to them, and it is in our hearts.
What we saw were impressive products, but I was more curious about the large-scale functioning inside the factory. Sir, as a general manager of operations, please tell us about the functioning and processes, like how do you ensure the quality, reliability, and supply chain efficiency to deliver MKU's product to meet with the global standards?
In MKU, we follow very strict quality control, and we have got approx every testing equipment. You might have seen our lab also, and we test as per best standards or international standards of all our products.
Building products that soldiers rely on is not just manufacturing. It requires precision engineering, strict quality control, and constant innovation. That's when we spoke to Gajendra to know about the quality inspection of products and raw materials at MKU.
I am Gajendra Singh, heading the quality function in MKU Limited. This is the place where we are doing all kinds of testing related to textile, rubber, leather, and plastics. Our key tests are step, conditionings of plates, and waterproofness, water repellency, tensile, tear, etc. There are so many tests. Abrasion, endurance, hook and loop fasteners. These are the tests which are non-ballistic. Those we are doing here.
Talking about supply chain, MKU is emerging as a key player in supplying advanced defense equipment across the world. But how does this supply network actually work? We asked about that to Karan Gupta.
As we speak, the defense industry, and I would say pretty much all industries, are going through a lot of change. We're seeing global conflicts rise, supply chains being disrupted, and along with all of this, MKU is evolving as well. We at MKU take supply chain resilience very seriously through backward integration. We have taken the conscious decision in distributing our production lines across geographies, which includes India, Middle East, and Europe. And thus, we are able to move around and navigate these tough, challenging times in terms of operating a manufacturing setup quite effectively today. And moving forward, we will ensure that at MKU, we continue to do on timely, in full delivery to our customers.
Now I was thinking about alignment of all the teams like R&D, design and supply chain from ideation to execution. So the next question was obvious. And sir, how do different teams like R&D, design and manufacturing work together to transform an idea into a battlefield ready product?
First of all, an inquiry is generated as per the requirement of any customer all over the world. And with those specifications, it goes to our R&D team who develop samples. We have got a R&D team which is having more than 50 engineers for every segment, for helmets, ballistic, bulletproof jackets, for platform protection, for shields. So they develop the product. And then once the product is final, it comes to the production team and production starts. Here also we have got production line managers, quality control managers. So a teamwork is there.
All of this was sounding fascinating. So we spoke to the engineers behind these products. For helmets, we met Ganesh Jogur and Rishikumar Gupta, deputy managers of product engineering.
Hello, my name is Ganesh Jogur.
Hi, my name is Dr. Rishi.
We both work here as a deputy managers in the research and development of ballistic helmets. So let me take you through the first of our helmet. This helmet is specifically designed and developed for paratrooper helmet. The main important criteria for any paratrooper is to have a snack hazard protection. This helmet specially have a chin strap system and the padding system along with the complete accessory system designed in a way considering all the aspects and requirements of a paratrooper.
This is our another flagship product, Carbo Domer 360. This is a full cut helmet. It also protects 5 rounds of 7.62 in 39 MSC at 5 different zones, front, back, side, both sides and top. In addition to this, this helmet we generally provide with our MAX system, modular accessory connecting system that can accommodate various accessories such as night vision devices, torch, visors and other accessories.
This is our latest helmet which weighs around 900 gram to 1 kg. It is the most lightest helmet in the world, we can say, and this protects from level 3A 9mm bullet. And the beauty of this product is you can add on multiple accessories. This is our MAX system. We call it as modular accessory connector system. The beauty of this product is it is modular in nature. That means you can attach as well as detach these side rails and the shroud. So as and when required, you can make adjustment as per your requirement. If you want complete accessories, you can add it. If you don't want it, you can simply remove it and use only helmet. So that is the beauty of this product, and we have patented technology of this product.
And for the armors, we met Santosh sir, manager of product engineering. Hear from the man himself.
Hello, myself Santosh. I'm working as a manager in MKU. MKU is the provider of body armor. Actually, here we are making body armor with hard armor and soft armor. Hard armors. It is the solution for ammunitions like MIT, MSC, M2AP. M2AP is very lethal. We are making level 4 ammunitions which saves the soldier's life. And we are giving the body armor in ergonomic way. The ergonomic way doesn't restrict soldiers' movement. So soldiers' performance increases. This jacket is made for France, and this jacket has both hard armor and soft armor. It can be weared as plate carrier with only hard armor. It can be weared as officer's vest only with soft armor. And sometimes in tactical situation, it can be used as both soft armor and hard armor. In MKU, we make the best body armor which protects the soldiers in any situations.
What you have seen till now is helmets and armors, but with new era, they introduced Electro-Optics in 2016. By 2019, they commenced commercial production of night visions and thermal devices. And recently, MKU secured one of the biggest contracts for 29,000 plus night vision weapon sights. I met Rajesh Sharma, Deputy Manager Planning of Electro-Optics, and he showed us the products they were building for night vision and thermal sights. I was just thinking, what does it actually take to build modern defense equipment? And what really happens inside such a facility? So, what he asked for was a factory visit. Sir, MKU recently hosted senior officials of the Indian Army. So, what was their visit look like on the ground, and what kind of discussions and demonstration took place during their time here at MKU?
So it was truly a special and motivating for everyone in the team to host Lieutenant General Pushpinder Pal Singh sir and GOC in Central Command Lieutenant General Anindya Sen Gupta sir here at our Kanpur facility. It also gave us an opportunity to showcase our advancements in electro-optics and night vision technologies. During this visit, we walked them through our manufacturing facility, our testing facilities. Along with that, we also showcased them our R&D innovations or the products which are ongoing in the development.
Okay. So, can you also take us through the manufacturing facility and the R&D process inside?
Yeah, sure. Yeah, so this is our shock test machine. Here we are doing the shock test of the thermal devices as per the requirements of the tender. And basically all the devices or the different supplies, we are doing the MIL standard 810 or JSS Penta 5. So this is the shock test. Give a shock of the 40G is basically a minimum requirement of JSS Penta 5. So we do the testings accordingly.
Right, okay. And what is this machine for?
This is the compressor for this.
Okay.
So this is the vibration.
Okay, so vibrations happen.
Vibration is basically done on the three axes, X, Y, and Z axis.
Okay.
So X and Y is like this, and for Z axis we have to flip the machine.
Okay.
So in that we do the vibrations of the.
Okay, so this ensures that ये यहीं पे stick रहे नीचे.
Yeah, it will be sticked here only. It is mounted with the screws.
Okay.
Over that, like this is a night vision device. So we have mounted it over the helmet, like the user will or the soldier will use it in the field.
Sure.
So we are testing it. We just check, like this would be the exact location how it will be tested.
Oh, great. Great, perfect. And
further, if we come next, then it is the climatic chamber with the humidity level. So it has a capability of both hot and cold. We can test the equipments with the various conditions, like in a hot temperature, how will it behave? In a low temperature, how it will behave. So there are the simulations which we are doing here.
right, great. And what is this chamber for?
This is for the water immersion test.
Okay.
Like we supply every product, each and every product which comes out from the MKU facility is IP16 by default.
Okay.
Whether customer requires it or not, we are doing
So it is water resistant.
waterproof.
Okay, waterproof.
Yeah, it is for 1 meter 30 minutes.
Okay, great.
Even this has a facility to test the products with a 25 meter range also.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Nice.
This is the hyperbaric machine. In this machine, we are testing the life of the usability of the device at the higher altitudes. Like when we go to the mountains, there's a variation in the altitudes.
Right, right.
So that is simulated here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Great. And what is this chamber for? This big chamber?
This is a thermal shock chamber. In this machine, there are two chambers, hot and cold. So within a fraction of seconds, we can change the conditions of the climate. Like we can, within a few minutes, we can take a device or create a temperature condition from -2 plus.
Okay, great. The manufacturing facility of MKU was at par with global standards, and we tried to understand the products and thinking behind it. That's when we met Parth Sharma, Associate Manager, Business Development of Electro-Optics.
Hi, I am Partha Sharma. At MKU, our main focus is to create an integrated soldier where we are working with compact electronics, lightweight design, and high performance sensors, so that all in all gives the future soldier in the current warfare conditions the highest edge possible.
Then we dressed up and went inside the cleaning room of Electro-Optics unit, where Parth told us about the engineering, manufacturing processes, and the challenges.
Electro-optic systems require extreme precision during manufacturing because components such as lenses, infrared sensors, and image intensifier tube must be aligned with very precise and high tolerances. At the same time, the equipment must survive shocks, weapon recoil, temperature changes during paratrops, and very harsh war field conditions. To ensure reliability, we conduct extensive environmental and endurance testings. Scaling production while maintaining this level of precision requires clean room assembly, automated calibration, and strict quality validation, ensuring every system is ready for operational deployment.
MKU has recently secured several contracts with the Indian Armed Forces, including advanced night visions and thermal weapon sights. We asked about that to Rajesh Verma. Sir, I think MKU has recently secured several contracts with the Indian Armed Forces, including advanced night visions and thermal weapon sights. So could you please share the information of these contracts in your order book?
We are really proud that we have received big orders from the Indian Army, and we feel that it is a proud moment for MKU to deliver the customer's requirement. Currently, we have received an order of around 700 CR, for which we have to supply around 30,000 night vision weapon sights. And notably, it is the biggest ever Indian Army has placed an electro-optics order to the company.
The scale was huge, and it was really great to see an Indian company serving to the world. But what is the future of MKU in terms of product and vision?
Over the next 5 to 10 years, our goal is to be the number one Armour, Electro-Optics and MRO company in India and expand our reach even further. We already have channel partners in over 50 countries. Over the last 40 years, we have sold our solutions to more than 3 million soldiers and upgraded over 3,000 platforms globally. So moving forward, as I said, over the next 10 years, we will continue to build expertise and scale in these three verticals, along with building a robust team that will take the business forward and be fully aligned with our mission of empowering heroes.
So that was the video. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you liked it. A lot more things are in the pipeline. Do subscribe to the channel and stay tuned. Thank you so much.